Welcome to Sahanna Shows You. Today we're at the Richmond Nature Park. My twin sister Sahanna and my little sister babe Mila is joining us. The Richmond Nature Park has lots of trees and trails. We came here to look for robins and hummingbirds. But we didn't seem to find any. We found some other birds though. Let's go find some other interesting nature things. Let's go. Let's go down the trail. Oh, there's two trails. Which way should we go? That one looks like I go straight to the playground. So
No.
we should go here.
Come on,
Let's just go see what it does.
Which way are you going? That way?
Yeah. Ah, it's muddy. Sometimes you can find some fun tunnels to go in. I think this one's a tunnel too, but it's kind of like too branchy, so I think this one's another tunnel. Let's go in. I don't like police places. Wow, this looks cute. Make sure you wear boots because it's kind of muddy here. Do you know why it's kind of bouncy, like spongy and muddy? Because it's a rock. That's why. Are we there yet? Look, there's a playground. Whoa, that was a lot of wood. Now we can go. There's a big stump of wood you can climb on, and then you can slide down here, or you can just climb down. Yeah. Whoa. Climb up the slide, and then you can go down this big slide. It's fast. Whee! That was fun. Everything in this playground is made out of natural materials. Look at these steps made out of wood. You can ride on them back. You can walk across this shaky thing and like really see some to each other. So a big climbing web and some obstacle course there. You can climb up this. It's so fun. It's so fun. I hope you have fun exploring this park with me on YouTube. You can come here too. Bye. See you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe.